This is damn right outrageous. Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, I'm going to cover what I believe is just outrageous to be seeing in the crypto space. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Don't forget to jump in the Discord, link is in the description. It's absolutely free to join. Over 4,000 people talking about crypto 24/7. Absolutely free. Link is in the description. Let's get down to the desktop. Okay, so we're going to start on coin market cap. Now, the total market cap of all crypto is up 1.75% at the time of recording at $1.05 trillion. Now, there's a lot to be said as to why this is happening, right? And why we're at this point. I do think that, this is a lot to do with the elections. And I think things are really being sort of delayed. So, maybe September is going to be a bad month, but it's not going to be as bad as we're expecting. So, volatile market is to be what, to expect, in my opinion. But there's, opportunities to trade in these sort of uncertain times. But I am expecting lower lows. And I think that, the elections and everything like that are going to have to pass before we start to see some of this come to fruition. So before we get into the really shocking stuff that, it is beyond belief, in my opinion, I wanted to cover off this. So Mastercard strikes a deal with Binance to launch crypto payment cards. Now, I think this is really, really bullish. I'm really impressed with some of the stuff that Binance is doing, rewards in XRP, for learning about cryptocurrency, and so much more that they're doing. I think it really does sort of stand out. Now, you will be able to use certain cryptocurrencies to purchase goods with this card. I'm going to link this in the Discord for you to go take a look at. I think it's definitely worth a read of this one, and I will be looking to see if I can get a card. Now, moving on to some of the really shocking stuff, or one of the pieces of news that I thought was really shocking, and it's only shocking if it's real and it's true. So, I'm not suggesting that it is, but if true, I mean, it is concerning, right? And I personally, from my opinion, based on my views and what I've read, I wouldn't be surprised with the people involved. But a verified source has confirmed that FTX's PR firm M Group Communications has been contracted to release negative media articles about competitor exchange Binance. Hired journalists are given access to a black book of anti-Binance contacts and references for research. So, it is really interesting. I think this is common practice that you see, but this is not the sort of businesses that I want to be involved in. Any business that is digging up dirt to maliciously impact another business, for me, is not where I want to be placing my money. I don't know whether this is accurate information or not. Time will tell to see what was being published in the future, right? But it is concerning when you see this sort of stuff. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions are in the comments below. I thought this was shocking if true. Moving on, and the next really shocking piece of news for me is around bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange Voyager. They're going to pay $1.6 million bonuses to key staff. And this has been agreed or sanctioned by a court judge in New York. So for me, this is, shocking when there's people that they owe lots and lots of money to. It's beyond belief. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions are in the comments below. Just absolutely shocking. Again, I will link this in the Discord for you to have a read. Moving on, and we've got amendments to US commercial code differentiates between crypto and electronic money. Updated guidelines seek to clarify the term of crypto asset lending and specify the status of CBDCs. Again, another really big deal in, I guess, the move towards adoption of cryptocurrency. So I think this is really positive. We are seeing some negative stuff, but we are seeing some positive news as well. And I think that's why the market can't really make up its mind as to where we're heading. But one thing that I wanted to highlight is an article here. Crypto adoption in Ireland is down 16% in the last year. Again, like, this is, I guess, aligned to many other countries in the respect that, you know, retail investors are just not investing in cryptocurrency. It's just not bullish right now. It's just not exciting. It isn't quick money, but it is generational level building opportunity in the bear market. So do jump in our Discord. It's absolutely free to join. You know, keep up with everything that's happening in the space. Now is the time to be alert. Now is the time to be doing your research. Now is the time to be, you know, in the space, watching the projects that you're invested in, making sure that they stick to their roadmaps and their time, the dates in their roadmap, I should say, and, you know, that they're kept on track, because it's easy for projects to just disappear into the sunset because they've run out of money at this sort of stage of a bear market. And it's going to get worse, not better. The financial landscape, the events around the world, you know, particularly in China, Taiwan, Russia, Ukraine, and many other places around the world, do not look positive. Now there's elections going on and other stuff around the world, which, you know, these people in power are looking to lie to you, so they can, you know, basically, you know, stay in power through the election process and stuff like that. So just be careful, because I think they're delaying it, and I think they're lying to us, and I think ultimately we're heading down, and there's a lot of you know, bear flags and lots of, you know, runs that look like bull runs, look like recovery runs, but they're not. They're gonna, you know, just pull back their bear market rallies. So just be careful out there. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it was useful and you got something from it. If you did and you want to support the channel, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tap in that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.